आहे. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalay and I live in Mazalgaon. I become a collector in future.
Hi, I am Aryan. My full name is Aryan Nitin Khate. I live in Paragi Vaijanath. I am studying in 5th standard. My school name is Bhel Secondary School. I want to become a doctor. I joining this group improve my English language. Bye.
Hi friends, my name is Samiksha Prakash Bhalerao. My school name is Abhinav Vidya Vihar Prashala Purna. I am 12 years old. I want to a doctor and I expression to be PDS eco good learning this year.
What is your name?
My name is Ojas Purushottam Somani.
Which standard you studying?
I study in 4th class.
What is your school name?
My school name is Dr. Vittal Rao Vikhe Patil English Medium School.
Which city you are in live?
I live in Ahmednagar, Maharashtra.
What do you want to be in your life?
Soldier.
What is expectations about your class?
Good English speaking.
Good morning teachers and my dear friends. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. My name is Rahul Gavli. I am basically from Vikramgarh but currently staying in Palghar. Let me tell about my schooling. I did my 10th in Manor from LPSA school. Currently I am pursuing electrical engineering in Government Polytechnic Vikramgarh. About my family, we are 4 members in my family. My father, my mother and my elder sister. My strengths are hardworking and disciplined person. My short-term goal is to get placement in reputed company and my long-term goal is to master in my skills. My hobbies are playing games, listening interesting facts and reading and listening books. That's all about me. Thanks again for this opportunity.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Siddheshwar Ingole. I live in Parali district, Bid. My school name is Bhel Secondary School. I am studying in 5th class. My hobby is drawing. I want to be a doctor.
Hello friends, my name is Shreya Purushottam Kasrod. My school name is Vidya Prasadi Sabachi Prathamic School, Purna. I am learning in 7th class. I live in Purna. I am 13 years old. I want to become IAS. I am joining this group because I improve my English language. Bye.
Hello friends, my name is Gargi Pramod Kai. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalay, Mazalgaon. I am studying in 6th class. I want to be doctor. My expectation from PDSC to learn and write. Thanks.
My surname Shenke, my father name Jadar. My school name Sri Siddheshwar Vidyalay. He is the 5th semi-standard. The name of my village is Mazalgaon and Distabid. My life I want to be a collector. I am not used to speaking, so I feel like speaking English. I must have my try to learn English.
All friends, my name is Pawar Sandhya Bhimrao. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalay, Mazalgaon. My class name is 5th B. My district name is Bid. Thank you.
Hello, I am Krishnakant Sanjay Kulkarni from Ambazogai city. My school name is Koleshwar Madhyamik Vidyalay, Ambazogai. I want to become an IAS officer. I want to speak English fluently.
Hello sir, my name is Soham Sriram Patil and my school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalay and my address is Brahman Gali, Mazalgaon, district Bid and my dream is engineering. Thank you.
sir and ma'am. My name is Vasundhara Arjun Shridhar. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Primary School. I live in a Mazalgaon. I want to be a collector because when the power of administration is in your hands, then poor can be helped. I love poor help. And second reason is my family. My family really want become a collector, and my dream is become to collector. And I hope you teach us English speaking in a simple way. Thank you.
Hi, hello, good evening everybody. My name is Pranav Nagnath Harungule. My school name is Sri Kishan Somani Vidyalaya Latur. My favorite subject is history. I am 11 years old. I am living in Latur. I want to be IPS is my future. The want to the seva is my country, and daily reading the newspapers and books reading. Thanks for it.
Friends, my name is Chimtesh Navnath Kumbar. I live in Pune city. My school name is Sri Saraswati Vidya Mandir. I want to be scientist. I explain you master my English.
Hello, my name is Prachira Jadhav. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya Mazalgaon. I want to become a army doctor, and I need your consideration.
I am Shivrai Navnath Kumbar. I live in Pune. My school name is Mahilashram High School. I want to be a software engineer. This is my dream. I expect you to master of my English. Thank you.
Hello and good morning. My name is Riya Jyoti Sarda. I am from BHL Secondary School and I live in Parli Vaijnath, Bid District, Maharashtra. I want to become a good human being and a successful doctor in my life. My expectations from PDSC are that I want to speak English fluently and I want to build my confidence for speaking in public.
My name is Kishori Gulabram Yakante. My school name is Jizavgnan Tirtha Parbani. My village name is Sodegaon. My aim is collector. I hope you take the every Sunday test and daily practice.
Hello, my name is Kasturi Kirandale. I live in Parbani, is a city in Maharashtra, state of India, and my school name is Saraswati Primary School. I want to become a useful and honorable citizen of my country. I want to be a writer, and my expectation from PDSC group is that it should help to me learn English faster and fluently. Also, I accept that teacher will pay attention to all student doubt. Thank you.
Hi, hello, good afternoon. My name is Harsh Ravindra Solanke. I am live in Parli and I am studying in 8th standard. And my school name is Vidyavardhani Vidyalaya, and I want to become a doctor. And I like this program because who does not speaking in English, they have also chance to speak in English. And I do chance to speak in English in that video. Bye.
My name is Syed Naz Laik. I am 10 years old. My city name is Mazalgaon. I want to be doctor, and I expected you PDF good learning this course. Thank you all friends.
My name is Utkarsh Thakre. I live at Pusad, district Yavatmal. My school name is St. Mary English School, Pusad. I want to be a doctor, and I think this program will helpful to us to speak in English.
Hello all friends. My name is Syed Dida Laik. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya Mazalgaon. My city name is Mazalgaon. I want to be teacher. BDFC, I expected you good learning this course. Thank you.
My name is Shreya Sudarshan Kalamji. I am living in
Majalgaon, district B. My hobby is activity. My aim is engineer. I am 11 years old. I love English. Bye.
My name is Shardul Nitin Chaudhary. I am from Parli Vajana district Bid. My school name is Bhel Secondary School. I want to become an engineer because I want to learn how the machines and computer programs be created, and EDSE is a very good platform for speaking English fluently, and special thing is that course is free, and we can learn English for our further studies. Thank you.
Friends, my name is Aditi Ganesh Langde and I'm from Majalgaon city. I want to become a doctor, and my school name is Sri Siddheshwar Secondary School. I complete my dream. It course is helpful my speaking English. Thank you.
My name is Vidina Arvind Vakmari from Majalgaon district Bid. I am studying in 5th standard Sindafana Public School, Majalgaon. I came to know about this PDSC courses and I am eager to learn with it. This is a golden opportunity to learn English from this platform.
Hello, I am Samruddhi Vaibhav Ambekar from Parli Vaijanath. My school name is Vidyavardhani Vidyalaya. I want to make a good teacher in my life. My expectation from the PDSC is developing my English speaking. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Arush Kiramani. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya Majalgaon. I am lived in Majalgaon, district Bid. I want to become mechanical engineer. I like to new research. I want to speak fluently English.
My name is Akshara Shivshankar Jata. I am from Parli Vaijanath. My school name is Sanskar Primary School. I am learning in 5th standard. I am joining this group because I wanted to become a doctor.
My name is Sarang Dekari. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya Majalgaon. I am studying in 7th class. I want to be an engineer. Thanks.
Hello everyone, my name is Sheikh Asif. I live in Parli Vaijanath, Z Corner. My dream is doctor. I teach in 10th class. My school name is Imdadul Ulum High School. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Vaishnavi Jaydeep Kumbar. I live in Majalgaon, district Bid. I study in 6th standard. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya. I like to learn and speak English so much. I all hobby in my life. I like to make a bank manager. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Swastika Shirish Namandar. I live in Majalgaon. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya Majalgaon. I am in 6th standard. I want to become a doctor. In this class, we will improve our English easily.
Hello friends, my name is Dhruv Virapadode. My school name is Someshwar Vidyalaya. My city name is Ghatnandur. I want to become in major. I want to speak in English. Thank you.
My name is Prachiraj Zado. I am learning in 9th standard. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya Majalgaon. I want to become a soldier and I want to your counseling.
Hello everyone, my name is Parth Sitin Gate. I study in 5th class. My school name is Bhel Secondary School. I live in Parli Vaijanath. I grow up and become a scientist. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nishant Rajat Jadhav. I am learning to 6th standard and my school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya Majalgaon, district Bid.
Hello everyone, my name is Somvira Padode of class 7th from Rajasthani Poddarlan school. I want to become an IAS officer and I wanted a class that will improve my self-confidence and I will get my fluency automatically, and after that I will pay attention towards my accuracy. Thank you.
Hello everyone, let me introduce to myself. My name is Aparna Uttam Sakle. I live in Parli Baijanat at our ground. My school name is Vidyavardhani Vidyalaya, Parli Baijanat. I want to be a teacher and also a scientist in my life. To achieve my dreams, I need to be perfect in English speaking. It is a need of life to speak English and I don't want to become weak in it. My expectations from PDS is to make my English better and also take more practice of me for that. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Mansi Basraj Kumbar. I am from Mashu. District name is Latur. School name is Jawahar Vidyalaya. I am a 9th standard student. I like learn and speak English. I want to be doctor and the needle ahead to help people. Thank you everyone.
Hello, my name is Aarti Tukaram Gutte. I learn in 7th class. My school name is Jilla Parishad Primary School, Kasarwadi. I live in Kasarwadi. I want to be a doctor in my life and serve the poor because I love to serve the poor. I want to show through this program you can speak English even after learning Jilla Parishad School. I have opportunity to speak English and I will not miss this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello friends, my name is Nehanjali Govindrao Deshmukh. My school name is Ramaya Primary and Play School from Parli Baijanat district Bid. I am 11 years old. I want to be children's doctor. I expect PDSE group to teach me speak well English. Thank you.
My name is Aditya Shamla from Mazalgaon. My school name Shri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya. My dream is Maharashtra Police.
Hi, my name is Shantanu Shailesh Rudrabha. I am studying in 4th class. My school name is Andhra Samiti English Medium Primary School. I am living in Nanded. I want to be a CA. PDSC Group expectation. Thanks PDSC Group for learn and teach me English fastly and fluently. So thank you.
Good morning ma'am. My name is Krishna Satish Badar. I am studying 7th standard. My school name is Priyadarshini English Medium School. I am staying in Pune, Alandi, Devachi. I want to be a businessman. Bye.
All of you, my name is Ashish Ganesh Langde. I am from Mazalgaon. Anyone have a dream and my dream is I want to become a doctor and its course is I complete my dream. Its course is very helpful for our education and we will thinking about our future. It's very helpful. So I like this course and I complete all course. Okay, thank you.
My name is Harshvardhan Vilas Pandit. I go to ZPCPS Kikarjawala, Taluka Manoj, Jilla Parbhani. I standard 6. I have my family member, my mother, my sister, my father, and I am. I dream is IAS. Thank you.
My name is Kushal. I am 10 years old. I live in Kekarjawala. I go to ZPCPS Kekarjawala. My deep lover. My mother's name is Varsha. My father's name is Vilas. My brother's name is Harshvardhan. Thank you.
My name is Shivam Jagannath Bharate. My school name is Shri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya Mazalgaon. My city name is Mazalgaon. I want to be a Tahsildar. Good learning PDF program.
Hello teachers. My name is Sheikh Zakir Dadu and my school name is Saraswati Vidyalaya Prakash Nagar Latur and my My village name is Gangapur. I want to be an engineer in my life because I have an interest in machines.
Hi everyone, my name is Shruti Mahadev Daskale. I am at 9th class in Vidyavardhani School. I live in Parli, Vaijanad district, Bid. I want to become a SP officer in my life, and my expectations from PDS is they will improve my English learning better. Thank you.
My name is Sanchita Ananda Jagtap. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Secondary School. My city from Madalgaon. I am learning 5th standard. I am joining this group. I like to dream doctor. Thank you.
My name is Srushti Ramesh Sakre. I am studying in 7th standard. My school name is Vaidyanath Vidyalay. I am live in Parari Vaijanad district, Bid. I want to become engineer. So my English is so weak. I am joining your class, sir.
Hello everybody, my name is Tejaswini Shumangal Solanki. I live in Mazalgaon. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalay. I am in 6th standard. I want to the doctor. In this class, improve English easily. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sati Babasaheb Gutte. I learn in 7th class. My school name is Jilla Parishad Primary School, Kasarwadi. I live in Kasarwadi. I want to be a teacher in my life because I love teaching students. I participate in this program because I could speak more English than before. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Yash Rajesh Sakre. I am studying in 10th standard. My school name is Vaidyanath Vidyalay. I live in Parli Vaijanad district, Bid. I want to become an engineer. English is world communication language. Therefore, it is very important to understand and speak it. Therefore, I am joining this class.
Hello, my name is Sakshi Ramesh Sakre. I am in 10th standard. My school name is Vaidyanath Vidyalay. I live in Parli Vaijanad district, Bid. I want to become a doctor. Today, English is very important language. Therefore, my expectations are to improve my vocabulary and to improve my English. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Let me introduce. My name is Abhishek Vishnu Taur. I am from Pangri Gosavi. I am learning in 10th standard in ZP High School of Pangri Gosavi. I want to make a cricket player in my life career. Cricket is my hobby and I want to improve my English language and I will try my best.
Hello, good afternoon everyone. My name is Vagmare Shraddha Pandurang. I learn in ZP High School, Euta. I study in 8th class. My father is farmer. I want to become collector. My favorite subject is science. My favorite teacher Shiv Shankar Jadhav sir. I live in Euta. Okay, thank you.
My name is Aditya Ramnath Kendre. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalay, Mazalgaon. My city name is Malava and I want to become a mechanical engineer because I am curious to know how it works, how machine works, how it designed to satisfy the need of people. Nowadays, technology plays important role to fight against COVID-19, like transportation of oxygen through the country. And also, many sugarcane factories are converted into oxygen plant to fulfill the need of our nation. And at last, I thankful of our corona warriors such as doctor, police, nurse, and thank you. Stay home, stay safe.
Friends, my name is Yash Pramudurke. My school name is Government Vidyaniketan, Aurangabad. I live in Patrood. I study in 9th class. I want to be IAS officer and I think is PDS helpful to us in my good speak English.
My name is Rohan Ankush Shendge. I live in Bid, Kushinagar. My school name is Yashwant Madhyamik Vidyalay, Bid. I am in a 10th standard. I want to become engineer and my main expectation for PDS say how to speak English correctly and confidently.
Hello everybody, my name is Ayush Ashish Agrawal. I am studying 6th standard. My school name is Bale Secondary School, Parli Vijayanath. I want to become computer engineer. I like computer. I would like to join spoken class.
Hi sir, my name is Alisha Gajendra Sangai. My school name is Samskar Primary School, 5th standard, City Bid. I want to police officer, PDSC. This is my opportunity to become part of group. I want to speak fluent English. Thank you.
My name is Prathamesh Sudhir Karale and I am studying in 10th standard. My school name is Abhinav Vidyavihar High School, Purna. I want to be ND officer in future and I think PDSC is good for me for speaking English.
Hi everyone, my name is Samruddhi Madhukar Murkute. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya Majalgaon. I am in 6th standard. I live in Majalgaon district, Bid. I want to become a doctor, good English speaking, learning. These are my expectations from this group.
Hello friends, my name is Aditya Bhavan Bade. My school name is Myris MIT Sri Sant Jnaneshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya from Pune. I am 13 years old. I study in 8th class. I want to become a scientist in my life. I expect from PDSC group to teach me good English. Thank you.
My name is Ved Praveen Sapate. I live in Deolgaon Raja. My district is Buldana. My school name is Swami Vivekanand. I want to become a IAS officer. Actually, I joining this group for improve my communication skills.
Hello, my name is Harish Garji. My school name is New High School, Parli Vijayanath District Grade. I want to be doctor. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Vedant Sriram Pakwane. I am 11 years old. I want to be scientist in my life. My school name is Jilla Parishad Kendriya Prathamik Shala Manwat. Thank you.
Hi friends, I am Sarthak Repar. I live in Tulsi. My school name is Jilla Parishad Prathamik School Tulsi. Now I am in 7th class. I want to become a good cricketer. My expectation from this group to speak good English.
My name is Lakshmi Sakre. I am in 5th standard. My school name is Foundation School. I am live in Parli Vijayanath district, Bid. I have to become mechanical engineer. Thank you. My name is Mahesh Tulsiram Solanke. I am from Marath. I want to make a doctor. My life I am active about. I am reading in 6th standard and I want to clear my English language.
My name is Raju Dhandiram Jadhav. I am from Majalgaon district is Bid. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya Majalgaon. I am studying in 6th standard. My dream is IPS.
Hello everyone, my name is Pansa Tahura Yusuf Khan. I live in Malikpura, Parli Vijayanath. I study in 9th class. My dream is become a doctor plus collector. My school name is Imdadul Ulum High School near Powerhouse, Parli Vijayanath.
Hello friends, my name is Kanchan More. I am from Tulsi. My aim is IIT. I am learning in 8th standard. My school name is New English School Tulsi. If I want to achieve my aim, I have to learn how to speak in English. From this group, I hope I can speak English perfectly and confidently. Thank you for adding me in this group.
Hello friends, my name is Devendra Ranjay Shinde. My school's name is Sayadri Vidyalaya Brahmanwada. I want to be a doctor in my life and I think PDSC group will help me learn to speak a good English.
Hello, my name is Karan Sauta Gaikwad. I live in Vadgaon Dadahari, Parli Vijayanath district, Bid. My school name is ZPPS Vadgaon Dadahari. I am in 6th standard. I want to become successful army. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Mange Jaydeep Kumbar. I live in Mazalgaon district, Bid. I study in 8th standard. My school name is Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya Mazalgaon. I like learn and speak in English so much. I complete all my hobby in my life. I like to make a Indian Army. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone, my name is Mayuri Mahadev Mutkule. I live in Mandwa. I learn in 8th class. District Bid. My dream is collector. I know English language is very important, so I join this group. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.
Kamble Premchandrakant. I live in Udgir. My district is Latur. My school name is Vidyavardhani High School, Udgir. I want to become mechanical engineer because I interesting repair big machines. I am joining the group because I want to improve my English language.
Hello friends and my teachers. My name is Soham Sopan Thapar and my school name is Sri Siddheshwar Vidyalaya Mazalgaon. I am 11 years old and my class 6th F. I am from Mazalgaon. My dream is to become a good doctor. The reason behind of my dream that is help to poor people for charity and social service purpose.
Hello friends, my name is Pratik Chandrakant Kamble. I live in Udgir city. My school name is ZPPS Belsakarga and my district is Latur. I want to become a doctor for in future because today is the necessary poor people in India in coronavirus. I am joining the group for improve my English language. Thank you.
My name is Athura Sachin Upre. My school name is Suyash Vidyalaya Barshi. I am learning in standard 6. I want to become a doctor. I want to speak English fluently, so I join this group.
Hi everyone, my name is Pallavi Keshav Ghule. My school name MBMC, school number 4. I am 5th standard. I live in Mira Bhayandar district, Thane. I have a teacher.
Good morning sir, my name is Sanvi Nitin Budse. My school name Saraswati Vidya Mandir, Hingoli. I am standard 5th. I want to become a police officer. Thank you sir.
Hi everybody, my name is Vaishnavi Keshav Ghule. My school name is Mira MBMC school number 4 Marathi. I am 5th standard. I live in Mira Bhayandar district, Thane. I have a teacher. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Samruddhi Pramod Rudrake. My school name is BK Vidyalaya Pathrud, Usmanabad. 5th standard.
Hello friends, good afternoon. My name is Ishan Shivaji Kadam and I study in 9th standard New High School, Parli Vaijanath, and I live in district Bid in Maharashtra. I want to become an IAS officer. Rather than this, I want to become an ideal person in society. For this, English language is the root of my career. My expectation from PDSC is to help me on give me command on my language. I am thankful to PDSC that they gave me chance to speak out my problems in front of them.
Hello, my name is Deepali Manzari Hara. I learn in 5th class. My school name is Jilla Parishad Primary School, Sandar Chincholi. I live in Sandar Chincholi. I want to be IPS police in my life. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Dhanraj Anantrao Deshmukh. I am from Rajasthani Potar Learn School, Parli Vaijanath. I want to become an agriculture engineer and I want to prepare my spoken English. I want to make new facilities in farming and that's why I want to prepare my English. So goodbye, thank you.
Friends, good afternoon. My name is Mayank Ghate. I am
studying in 5th standard. My school name is Ramai Primary and Play School. I am live in Parli Bajnat, District Bid in Maharashtra. I want to be an IAS officer, and for it is necessary to speak in English fluently.
My name is Aditi Sarjarao Haran. I learn in 5th class. My school name is Jilla Parishad Primary School, Sanda Chincholi. I live in Sanda Chincholi, Taluka Madalgaon, District Bid. I want to become pilot in my life. I think this program will helpful to be us become English.
Hello, my name is Arjun Sauta Gaikwad. I live in Vadgaon Dadahari, Paradi Vaijanat District Bid. My school name is New High School, Paradi Vaijanat. I am in a 10th standard. I want to become a successful doctor, and my main expectation for PDSC how to speak English correctly and confidently. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Nagma Abdul Rahim Singh. My school name is Deonar Colony Marathi School number 10. I am standard 6. My hobby teacher. Thank you friends.
Myself Aditya Santosh Pagaria. I am class 10 student. My school name is Sri Saraswati Bhuvan High School Aurangabad. My dream is to become an IIT engineer. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Neha Prakash Todke. My city name Madalgaon and my school name Sri Siddheshwar Madhyamik Vidyalaya. First one I want to take. Good education, better foundation for complete my dream and my aim to a good doctor. Thank you.
Hi friends, my name is Naneshwari Vishwanath Pate. My school name is Devnar Colony Marathi School number 3. I am 11 years old. I have a drawing teacher. I live in Mumbai, Govandi. My class teacher, Dorge sir. My hobby, drawing. Thank you friends.
Hello friends, my name is Prathamesh Prakash Mede. I am learning in 8th standard. My school name is Yogeshwari Nutan Vidyalaya. I am from Ambazogai. I want to become an aeronautical engineer.
Hello, my name is Amruta Somraj Gutte. I live in Kasarwadi. I learning 7th class. My school name is Jilla Parishad Primary School Kasarwadi. I want to be BF doctor in my and serve the poor because I love to program you can speak English you after learning Jilla Parishad School. I have opportunity to speak English and I not this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sakshi Somnath Gutte. I learning 8th class. I live in Kasarwadi. My school name is Jilla Parishad Primary School Kasarwadi. I want to be BF doctor in my head serve the poor because I love to programs can speak English you and after learning Jilla Parishad School I have opportunity to speak English and I will not this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pratiksha Balasai Bhute. I learn in 9th class. My school name is Sri Kedareshwar Vidya Mandir Ukli Budruk School. I live in Kasarwadi. I want to be a teacher in my life and serve the poor because I love to serve the poor. I want to show this program you can speak English you and after learning Sri Kedareshwar Vidya Mandir School. I have opportunity to speak English and I will not this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Sakshi Patnava Gutte. I learn in 10th class. My school name is Sri Kedareshwar Vidya Mandir Ukri Budruk. I live in Kasarwadi. I want to be of police in my life. Serve the poor because I love to serve the poor. I want to show this program you can speak English you and after learning Sri Kedareshwar Vidya Mandir Ukhi Budruk School. I have opportunity to speak English and I will learn this opportunity. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Shivam Patlova Gutte. I learn in 7th class. My school name is Kasarwadi. I live in Kasarwadi. Police. I ought to be off in my and serve the poor because I love to show this program. You can speak English unit Sanfatar learning Jilla Parishad Prathimik Shala Kasarwadi school. I have opportunity to speak English and I will not this opportunity